Hi, this is Andrea Dodson with Andrea Dodson Properties here in Lotus, California, right between Sacramento and Tahoe in the Sierra Nevada foothills. Today we're going to talk about what are some common bank required repairs. So when I say bank required repairs, I mean if you are a buyer purchasing a home, if you're using a lender and you have a loan, they're going to do an appraisal. During this appraisal, the appraiser is going to look through the home for safety issues. And depending on the type of loan you have, there are different guidelines. So just to start with the basics, most conventional loans, they're going to require a smoke detector in each bedroom and one in a hallway. So if it's a single story home, there's a few bedrooms, you have a hallway, smoke detector in the hallway, smoke detector in each bedroom. If there's 2 floors and there's bedrooms on each floor, then you're gonna need a smoke detector in the hallway upstairs, one downstairs, and one in each bedroom. You're also gonna need a carbon monoxide detector on each floor. So if you have 1 floor, you just need 1 carbon monoxide detector in a main area. If you have 2 floors, you'll need it on the 2nd floor as well in the main area. They do not have to be in the bedrooms. Another common required repair is having the water heater strapped. So if you have a regular, standard, traditional water heater, tank water heater, that is required to be earthquake strapped. 2 straps on the tank. If it's a tankless water heater, that is not a requirement. It is typically bolted to the wall. Other items to keep note are if you have any decks, any excessively loose hand railings would be considered a safety issue. Moving on to different types of loans, we have VA and FHA loans. If that is a type of loan that you are using, then an appraiser may call out peeling paint. So if there's peeling paint, that would have to be remedied. Or termites on a VA loan, they have to have a specific termite clearance. It's called an NPMA 33. It's a form that you can get from the pest company. They do not need the full report typically. So hopefully this was helpful, and I hope this information was great for you. Talk to you soon.